Hi, today we're going to check out the RITUS cordless stick immersion blender.
Everything has been taken out of the box, and as you can see, there's a milk frother and a whipping cream container right over here. We put together the blender unit with the piece that would attach for it, and all of these pieces at the front all go with this particular unit over here. This is the charging cable that charges up the battery, and the battery is removable for charging. All of this nicely screws in together to make an easy to use blender. The power button over here, the two trigger buttons work for power and turning it on and changing speed all at the same time, and when released, everything stops. This over here will be used for blending. So today we are going to make a smoothie. So let's see how it turns out.
Thanks for listening and watching our video.
Bye.
Bye.